Hello my loves. It's been a minute since I've done a sit down makeup video and I'm excited for you guys to see how I achieved this little Valentine's cute, subtle look. So if you're new here, my name is Erica and thank you for subscribing. At least I hope you subscribe. Don't be fake, subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you for the support. I don't really have too much to say, so let's get right into it. Tell me what you taste, do you like them just for me? Do you like them just for me? I'm hating on my knees. Good morning. Wow. Anyways, to start, I'm gonna start off with my hair. It's looking like itself. I'm gonna put on a ponytail, and it's been a minute since I have worn ponytails, but I recently started going back to them and I love them. It's perfect. I need a new one. All right, so I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna just do my hair. I mean, you'll see.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right at it die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Thinking need to have a son adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on
So the ponytail is on. She's secured. Edges are laying. So now we're gonna do a little bit of makeup. A light beat maybe. But I also have this new palette. Shout out to Chloe. It's called Mercury Retrograde. And Mercury is in retrograde, so I feel compelled to use it. The colors are so pretty. Look at them. So I don't know. I'm going to do something simple, but definitely the mirror, 10 out of 10, okay? So I'm going to start with my eyebrows like I always do. I literally have not changed the way I do my eyebrows in like years. So they're always first, and I use eyeshadow, conceal it, clean it, like nothing new. Do you do your eyebrows first or do you do foundation first? I can't do foundation first. I feel like that's weird. I'm not judging you, but it's weird. Anyways, let me get these done.
All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in an
AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Put concealer. I just let it get tacky for a second and then I'll start my eyeshadow, but I gotta go get something. Be back. Alright, I'm back. I had to take some chapstick because I'm not about to be licking my lips this whole video. Anyways, so I'm gonna do this palette. I don't have a goal. I don't have a vision. I just know I need to hurry up because the place I'm trying to go eat sushi at, their lunch special ends at 4. So I'm gonna zoom in for you guys so you can see what I'm doing.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they set it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had the white, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. That ain't your car, you just a Lisa, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fly when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore, cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she come. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can stay. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can stay. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
So far the two colors I've used are Karma and what is this one? Hot Mess. So Karma, Hot Mess. I think I'm gonna do like a little brown pink smoky look, real cute, real prepping for Valentine's Day. So yeah, let's keep going. I'm about to dip into this dark brown now, Vortex.
I found the street of the house in which she stayed. On my diaries full, every name on every page. Cause I read somewhere you fall enough for me. I'll try again one day, we'll see. Your hands under my pillow, so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you, leaving bruises on my feet. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me?
So this is what we have so far, just some pink and brown. I decided this is gonna be like a Valentine's Day practice look. At least that's what it's giving so far. So I'm about to do a little half cut crease.
If you stand around, it's only I would like. Every time I was a glass and drive to right. Break you a song, do you wanna hear it now? They bring your friends along to focus cloud.
So something I like to do, like after I put my concealer here, is like look up and make sure it doesn't make any dots. If it does, I'll bring it higher because, you know, you be looking around, living life. You don't want to like mess up your whole look. So to make sure that doesn't happen, you can do a little test run while you're doing your makeup.
What's the need for them? We could be just us two. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me? I'm feeling on my knees. It's your touch that I need.
Alright, so I'm satisfied with that pretty much. Just a little half cut, super simple. I'm gonna go in with this like shimmery pink color. It's called Supernova. Real cute. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Ooh, it's so soft. Oh my goodness, look. You can't even see it. But look what it did when I dipped. It's like super creamy. I like it. It's gonna be pretty.
We don't need a sound and some slow. I just gonna vibe and show you. And you gonna decide we can blow. I don't wanna strive, I'm too good. Everything around wanna move slow. I just gotta vibe and show you. All I wanna do is get you blown. Girl, I don't wanna strive, I'm too good. We don't need a sound and some slow. I just gonna vibe and show you. And you gonna decide we can blow. I don't wanna strive, I'm too good.
clean this up and make it look really crisp, you take a sharp brush like this with the dark color and you just go along that line. Like, that's why when you do the concealer, you don't really have to be super clean with it because you go back and clean it up anyways. And I also kind of just like deepens the little piece. Like this side, not done yet. This side, and then because I don't want to lose that pink right here, I'm gonna put some more. Just a little bit though. I want to put something on the inner corner. And there's this like light pink color or this white. Ooh. I think I'm gonna try this white one, Supermoon. You see it good? It's either this one I want to use or this one. But I feel like this one's gonna give it a pop, so let's see. I don't know. Gotta really pack it in there. Yeah, I like it. I like it. My cheeks are so red. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I like looking good. It just opens your eye up. And then I am gonna use that cosmic color on my brow bone to give it a bit of pink shimmer. So I'm really happy with this look. I just want it to be seamless. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face. Of course, I'm gonna put on lashes and stuff, but all right, foundation done. I use MAC Old Faithful, haven't changed it. I love it. I'm NC50. I think I'm gonna zoom in a little bit.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, they don't answer the picture. Drop a couple racks, watch his ass get thicker. Drinking on liquor, and I'm looking at your liquor. If it's money, I eat it like a snicker. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, miss that fake ass toe. I'm the realest bitch ever seen snake ass hoes. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. 30 years, yes, baby girl, you need to back up. It's your Miami and I came in with my stack up. Tired ass hoes in my page tryna track up. Brand new chain, city girls going platinum. I keep a baby rock, I ain't fighting with no random period. You bitches weak, is you serious? I let him taste the pussy, now he acting like delirious. Did the dash in the rubber like his face the furious. You see my number in his phone, now you acting curious. He gon' buy me Gucci if I ask for it. He'll take a nigga walking tall for it. I bet your little sister wanna look like me. I bet your little brother wanna fuck on me. Hood bitch, little pussy, I ain't average. He can't come around without that car, bitch. Pop a pussy, bitch, queen, like a bubble gum. I ain't never worry, I just do it for fun. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. 30 years, yes, baby girl, you need to back up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. 30 years, yes, baby girl, you need to back up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. 30 years.
We're almost done. I'm gonna do my lashes right now. And I'm gonna use these lashes. They're called Mommy from ColourPop. They're not that big. I was gonna put on some like big lashes, but I don't really want to take away from my eyes. So I'm gonna do these ones, and if I don't like them, I'm gonna put on the other ones.
Wobble. I'm stacking my paper. My wallet look like a Bible. I got girlies half naked. That shit look like the grotto. How your waist anorexic and then your ass is colossal. Like whoop. Drop that ass, make it boomerang. Take my belt off, bitch. I'm booty tank. Tippy towel, tippy tay. You gon' get a tip today. Fuck that, you gon' get some dick today. I walk in with my crew and I'm breaking their necks. I'm looking all good, I'm making her wet. They pay me respect, they pay me in checks. And if she look good, she pay me in sex. Do it, bounce that ass. It's the roundest. You the best, you deserve a crown, bitch. Right on the ass. Stop. Now make that motherfucker hammer sound like
So this is pretty much the look. It's giving like subtle Valentine's Day sneak peek.
This feels like somewhere. Boy, you make me feel so alive. Just be my lover. Boy, you lead me to paradise.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdom to falling.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. Hair, ponytail, it's giving very much subtle Valentine's Day. I like it, I'm happy.